Hello friends, myself Jay and today I am going to show you how to fix a single key from your keyboard. So friends, sometimes you are typing something important but one or two keys from your keyboard are not working. Then you are thinking that you have to buy a new one so that you have to spend $6 to $7. But why you spend $6 to $7 for a single key? So friends, today I am going to show you how to fix your keyboard yourself. So for that, you have to watch this video carefully. For fixing your keyboard, you just need a screwdriver. So let's start. Detach your keyboard from your laptop or desktop. Then try to open it. Watch this video carefully friends.
Friends, I have opened my keyboard and this is my keyboard circuit. Just detach it from this plastic panel. First of all, you have to open this rubber band. Now take this plastic circuit and I put it here. Now you have to find the key that is not working. In my case, I found my faulty key. Then number 1 key is not working. Found it. This is the key and this is the rubber that is placed into this key. I just replace this rubber with a key that is generally not used by me. In my case, I replaced my key 1 rubber with wake-up key because I don't use this wake-up key, and I just take this wake-up key rubber and place it into key 1. That's it. Now take the plastic circuit and place it into the keyboard panel. After placing it onto keyboard panel, place this rubber band again. Now close this plastic panel. Hello friends, my keyboard is ready and let's check it. Yeah, it's working. This number 1 key was faulty before I fix my keyboard. Let's see this is working or not. Friends, this is really working and I saved my $6 to $7. So friends, you can save also by fixing your keyboard. So friends, if you like this video, then please like this video and share this video. Also please friend, subscribe my channel.